Hello everyone. Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a very important word. The word is accurate. This word helps us understand how to be correct and exact in everything we do. Let's start our learning journey together. What does accurate mean? Accurate means correct and exact. When something is accurate, it has no mistakes. It is perfect and right. For example, if you tell the correct time, you are being accurate. Remember this simple meaning. Why is being accurate important? Being accurate helps us do things right. It helps us in school, at work, and in daily life. When we are accurate, people trust us. We make fewer mistakes and feel more confident about our work. Now, let me tell you a short story. This story is about a little girl named Lily. Lily loves to draw pictures. One day, she wanted to draw a perfect picture of her pet cat. She was very excited to start drawing. Lily tried to draw her cat. She drew the body, the tail, and the face. But when she finished, something was wrong. Her drawing did not look like a real cat. The ears were too big. The tail was too short. Lily felt sad. Lily did not give up. She looked at her cat very carefully. She noticed every detail. Then she tried again. This time, she drew slowly and carefully. When she finished, the drawing looked perfect. It was accurate. Lily was so happy and proud. Let's learn how to use accurate in real conversations. Imagine you meet your friend on the street. You ask, "What time is it?" Your friend looks at her watch and says, "It is exactly 3 o'clock." That answer is accurate because it is exact. Here is another conversation. You are lost and need directions. You ask someone, "How do I get to the library?" The person says, "Walk 2 blocks straight, then turn left." You will see it? These directions are accurate because they are correct and clear. Now imagine you are cooking. Your recipe says you need 2 cups of flour. You ask your friend, "Did you measure 2 cups?" Your friend replies, "Yes, I measured it accurately." This means your friend was careful and exact with the measurement. Let's talk about weather. You are planning a picnic. You ask, "Is the weather report accurate?" Your friend checks and says, "Yes, it says it will rain at 4 p.m. An accurate weather report helps you make good plans for your day. Here is a conversation about test results. You go to the doctor. You ask, "Are the test results accurate?" The doctor says, "Yes, they are correct and exact." Accurate test results help doctors give you the right treatment and care. Imagine you are at a store. You are buying things and paying with cash. You ask the cashier, "Did you count the money accurately?" The cashier replies, "Yes, I counted every coin carefully." Accurate counting prevents mistakes and problems. Let's talk about translation. You are reading a book in another language. You ask your teacher, "Is this translation accurate?" Your teacher says, "Yes, it means exactly the same." Accurate translation helps us understand different languages correctly. Here is a conversation about describing something. You lost your bag. You tell the security guard about it. The guard asks, "Is your description accurate?" You say, "Yes, it matches my bag perfectly." Accurate descriptions help people find lost things quickly. Now let's talk about scheduling. You are planning a meeting with your team. You ask, "Is the meeting time accurate?" Your colleague confirms, "Yes, it is at 10 a.m. sharp." Accurate scheduling helps everyone arrive on time and avoid confusion. Here is our last conversation example. You are taking a test at school. Your teacher asks, "Is your answer accurate?" You reply, "Yes, I checked it carefully twice." Accurate answers show that you understand the lesson well and work carefully. How can you be more accurate? Here are some simple tips. First, look carefully at what you are doing. Second, check your work twice before finishing. Third, use helpful tools like rulers, clocks, and calculators. These tips will help you improve. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice being accurate, the better you become. Try to be accurate when you write, speak, measure, or count. Practice every day. Soon, being accurate will become a natural habit for you. Here is an important quote to remember. Accuracy is the key to doing things right. When you are accurate, you show that you care about quality. You show respect for your work and for other people. Accuracy builds trust and success. Now it is your turn. Try to use the word accurate every day. Be accurate in your homework, in your conversations, and in your daily tasks. Being accurate will help you succeed in school, work, and life. You can do it. Thank you so much for learning with us today at Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed this lesson about the word accurate. Please subscribe to our channel for more simple English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and stay accurate. Goodbye.